A prosecutor has asked a judge for a gag order in the case of Fotis Dulos to prevent lawyers involved from making statements to the media. The request comes 2 days before a scheduled court appearance by Fotis Dulos on charges of hindering prosecution and evidence tampering in connection with the May 24th disappearance of his estranged wife Jennifer Dulos. The motion from State's Attorney Richard Colangelo Jr. filed Wednesday seeks an order preventing the parties from making statements to the media or in public settings that pose a substantial likelihood of material prejudice to the case. In response to Colangelo's request, Fotis Dulos' lawyer, Norm Pattis, said prosecutors should focus their time on preventing leaks from law enforcement related to the case. The state's effort would be better spent policing its own investigators, Pattis said. It is not too much to suggest that law enforcement should be asked to conduct an internal investigation of who among its members leaked information to reporters. He asked a judge to deny Colangelo's request. Public speculation that Mr. Dulos had a role in his wife's disappearance or death is widespread, Pattis said. Such speculation had a devastating effect on Mr. Dulos' personal and professional life. He is entitled, as a matter of law, to rebuke claims and insinuations that he is in any way responsible for her disappearance. An unnamed law enforcement source last week told the Hartford court that one of the items police found in Hartford trash, where they say Fotis Dulos was seen dumping bags the night of the disappearance, was a blood-stained Vineyard Vines shirt that Jennifer may have been wearing the morning she vanished. Norm Pattis said he has not yet received any discovery corroborating the claim. The newspaper also reported a man said he found a knife in a Hartford trash can in the days following the disappearance that he traded for crack cocaine. Pattis said the defense has received some corroboration of that claim and knows the name of the man. But the defense has not been provided with any information about whether a knife was ever recovered or if there is any reason to believe such a knife does or ever did in fact exist, he said. Whether law enforcement botched this portion of the investigation is an open question. Expecting Mr. Dulos to remain silent on this topic and permit speculation that a phantom knife was the murder weapon would be irresponsible. He also referenced recent reporting about histrionic allegations in a divorce case involving a Bloomfield lawyer who used to represent Fotis. The lawyer's estranged wife said Fotis tried to act as a mediator for the couple and tried to lure her to his home, which he offered as a sex pad for the couple's reconciliation. This is the sort of routine chatter that passes for allegations in family courts statewide, Pattis said, but mere mention of Mr. Dulos made the matter go front page. Mr. Dulos and counsel are entitled as a matter of law to respond to such nonsense. Norm Pattis said, in short, that the state has behaved irresponsible in this matter and that it has charged crimes it cannot prove and have no support in the case of law. He said they've spent millions of dollars investigating a crime it cannot charge and then sought the benefit of an arrest to use as an investigative tool. Fotis Dulos is scheduled to return to court on Friday, while the gal pal Michelle Troconis is due in court on August 19th.